Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change the thickness of a line in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change the thickness of a line. Firstly we insert a line shape in this document. We go to the insert menu and click shapes drop down menu. Then we can see here many shapes. We find and select the line shape. Here the line shape and we select it. Then press shift on your keyboard to draw this shape perfectly. Now we can see here we insert a line shape. Now we click the shape and go to the format menu. Then we select the shapes outline drop down menu and choose white. Then change the white 4 pt or 6 pt. Now we can see here we change the thickness of this line shape very easily. You can change the line shape color. Click the line shape and select outline color and choose another color and apply more effect or style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.